Hello hackers! Welcome to the new video where we are going to hack user ID controlled by request parameter with a password disclosure. This lab has a user account page that contains the current user existing password pre-filled in the masked input. So our target is to find this password which is existing in the profile. And to solve the lab, all what we have to do is to retrieve the administrator password from this input and use this privileges account to delete user call it callus. And also they provide us an account of Wiener and password of Peter. So guys, before moving forward, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's start. And here we go guys. So in case that I'm going to find a password which is absolutely being profile page, so let me first go to my account and let me activate Foxy Proxy. I'm going to use a community edition and then let's go to the proxy, let's go to introspect and then let's click introspect twice and let's go to HTTP history. So the provided account, which is Wiener, and the password is Peter, and let me log in. I don't need to save any credentials, and here we go. And as you can see in my account page, you can see we have the password in here. We only have ability to update the password, but we cannot see it, so we don't have any icon. Click on it to show the password. So we can see this password in two different ways. So the first one, let me go to /my account, which is this one. Let me go to the search and let me search for the word password in here. So let's say password, and let me look for the input that has the ID of password. So let's keep looking, not this one, and I think this one. As you can see, we have a label and then we have a password. Let me just make it more bigger so you can see clearly. And then we have this input required type. You can see we have a hidden. So this one is related for the CSRF, so this is not the one, but it's the next one, which is input, and then we have a type of password, name of password, and as you can see in the value equal to Peter. So this is absolutely going to be my target, that input of type password. So let me see if I can manipulate this input to retrieve the password of administrator. So let me send this one to the repeater. And as you can remember from my previous videos, we absolutely manipulate the ID and see if we are able to retrieve another user's data. And here, let me say poo-poo and see what's happened. Let me send. Okay, now you can see it redirected me to the login. Let me try the user callus, which I know that exists in the database. And here we go. Now you can see we have 202 status. Let me just render it. And as you can see, now I'm able to access to Carlos' account page. And also I'm able to see his password. So let me see his password first. Let's say password in here. And here we go. Now let me keep looking. This is not the input, and this is the input over here. And as you can see, this is the Carlos password. But as you can remember from the instructions of the lab, that my goal is to delete user Carlos with using administrator account. So let me try to find the administrator account password. Let's say administrator in here. And let me send the request. So let me render it. And here we go. Now I access it to the privileges account. So let me get his password in here. Let me keep looking, not this one, and here we go. Now I found it, and this is the value. So let me log out from here. Let me go to my account, and now let me connect as an administrator. So let's say administrator, here we go. Now let me copy its password. Let me paste it over here. Let me log in. So I don't need to save any credentials. And here we go. Now I connected successfully as an administrator. And let me go to the admin panel now. And as you can see, I'm able to delete my account or my target account. So let me delete the Carlos account. And here we go. Now I successfully solved the lab. So guys, if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any question or have any feedback, please put it in the comment below and stay tuned to the next videos.